I'm Dean Bailey, King's Auto Service. We're in downtown Raleigh, North Carolina. 2006, that's when Danny had come over from California and started actually training. And he and I got together when he was doing some coaching, and then he started building websites. We really needed a website that was more modern. Our website was a self-built type website, and when I saw what he could do with it and made it very modern and appealing to people, that was the reason we worked with him on that. It creates a lot of traffic for us. Our car count, we have more car count than we can handle, and I attribute that to the service we get with what you do with our website and social media and advertising through Facebook and Google ads and that kind of thing. And I've always had good representation here, and anytime we wanted any change, it happened almost instantly. Good customer service is a big reason. I made the mistake of leaving at one point, and the experience wasn't too good. I'm not even sure I remember the reason, but we came back, and glad we did, and wish I would have stayed all along. But it's always been a good investment for us.